my bejesus. This is a bunch of birds we're talking about here. Holy shit. Oh, God. Okay, don't take a crap on me. You see all those? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That's so many birds. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. They're everywhere. What the heck? Are they migrating back? They're all over Junior's yard. Oh, my bad. What the freak? Holy shit. Yeah, I said it. You said, oh my bejesus. Oh my gosh. They're coming. Oh my gosh. It's about a minute long. Dang, there's so many birds. Can't see it good, but dang. You can even hear it. I guess they're migrating back. You see them over there? They're right there. I wonder if I can get closer to them. Flying everywhere. They're so loud. This is the most birds I've seen in years. Please don't crap on me. Oh my god. Everywhere. I'm telling you, they're everywhere.